Nandi, Uasin Gishu, Trans Nzoia.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Yes.
Now you have done what I intended to do tomorrow.
Yes.
Now, members from those particular counties, as named by the Speaker, if you are not here to legislate on this coffee bill, please waste no time going to shout in funerals and in weddings and crying more than the bereaved farmers on the coffee prices, on the cherry fund. The time to act is now. And Honorable Speaker, this business will go on until conclusion of that business, because the House Business Committee did direct yesterday that we cannot continue with this bill being on the order paper every other week. It has to come to an end today. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, allow me to move and request all those members, those from Kiambu County where I come from, all of them, including the member for Kikuyu, who has not a single coffee bush. But my neighbor, Honorable KJ, had about 100 coffee bushes around Mohori area. But nowadays, I see he has planted houses more than coffee. But it will be important that all of us are there, Honorable Speaker, so that we conclude this debate this evening. And I would like to ask the chair of the committee to continue the good work he was doing, and therefore beg to move. It's a procedural motion, nothing much to say, and request the deputy whip of the minority, the Honorable Mwenje, the member for Embakasi West, where there's not a single coffee bush, but he was here last week. Honorable Speaker, it was so embarrassing on Thursday when we closed business. Besides the chair of the Agriculture Committee, and I think Honorable Pukose, is only the leadership that were here, about 8 people. On Thursday, the member for Githunguri was also not here. And she's among the people who are very good in shouting at funerals about coffee. She was not here on Thursday. So make sure the member for Githunguri, this afternoon you are here, this evening up to midnight. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I request Honorable Mwenje to second.
It cannot go unanswered.
I thought it wasn't done. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I just want to mention that although I represent a constituency where coffee is not grown, I'm also a coffee farmer.